Hi guys, did you know there's a surprising secret hiding in your shampoo? It's something you might not have heard about before: parabens. These preservatives help extend the shelf life of your hair products, but there's more to them than meets the eye. Let's dive into the world of parabens. You've probably seen them in the ingredients list of your shampoo, making everything seem fine. But there's an important aspect to consider. Parabens have a bit of a bad reputation. They're known to disrupt your endocrine system, which means they can mess with your hormonal balance. This disruption can even lead to reproductive issues. For instance, a study looked at 200 women to see how parabens affected their ovarian reserve. The results showed that higher levels of parabens were linked to increased levels of FSH, a hormone related to fertility, and a lower count of antral follicles, a marker of ovarian reserve. This is significant because high FSH and low antral follicle counts are associated with infertility and lower success rates in fertility treatments. Other studies have also found that high paraben levels can lead to lower birth weights and a higher risk of gestational diabetes during pregnancy. But here's the tricky part. Parabens often hide in the fine print on shampoo labels, making them easy to overlook. At Morrocco Method, we've chosen a different approach. Our shampoos are paraben-free and our ingredient list is transparent. We believe in honesty so you can avoid these hidden chemicals with confidence. Join us in removing parabens from your shampoo routine. Together we can work towards healthier, toxin-free hair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more hair care and wellness tips.